Let me show you how to make out-of-box effect in Adobe Photoshop. First we take page with 1080 by 1080 pixels. Drag image from file. Adjust the image accordingly. Now drag Instagram post frame. Adjust it accordingly like this. Select this layer. Go to Select option and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J. Drag this to front of this layer like this. From this layer make clipping mask. Select Brush tool. Click here and choose white foreground color. Select hard brush. Draw brush like this. Add new layer. Choose Soften Round Brush tool. Choose black color. Press OK. Make shadow behind subject like this. Click here and decrease opacity. That's it. Hope you liked.